right, guys, here's this sight reading for Thursday, April 16th. This is number 11. Again, you can use sight reading or smartmusic.com instead and do a sight reading off there if you would prefer. But this video is just going to go over the J.A. West, these PDFs that I've uploaded for you guys. So on number 11, we are going to follow our stars sight reading again. So we start out with key signature. We have one flat in our key signature, and you can see that's B flat. So we are in F major, and it stays in F major through the entire piece. So you're going to stay in F major for this one. The next thing is T out of stars, so our time signature. And we're in 3/4 time, so 3 beats per measure. Quarter note gets the beat. And that lasts all the way until we get to letter B. At letter B, it changes to 4/4, so 4 beats. Quarter note gets the beat. So we're just going from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if our time was the same, if our description here was the same, then it would stay exactly even. However, we change from moderato, so kind of a medium tempo, and then here it's going to be allegro. So when you get to B, you want to take it just a little bit faster. If we were sight reading together in class, which hopefully we'll get to do soon, guys, miss you. But if we were sight reading together in class, you would want to make sure you're looking up at the conductor, and I would probably have us pause just slightly here so you can kind of try that out, but go a little bit faster when you get to letter B. Okay, so the next thing is the A for accidentals, and I think once again there are no accidentals in this one, so you're just making sure you really have those B flats, so low ones on the A string, extended ones, cellos on the A string, half position for you basses for that B flat, so be careful of those B flats. And then for rhythm, it's pretty straightforward in this one, guys, mostly just half and quarter notes. The main thing is going to be this time change, but let's go through and take a look at the bowings. So at the beginning, and you should be kind of used to this by now, it's about every 4 bars or so, they're going to have us do a little bow retake. So at the first 4 bars, we're all together the same here. So we go down bow, up, down, up, down, up. And so actually we don't have a retake there. Yeah, we don't have a retake there. We'll just take a slight kind of pause. So here, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, same thing. Let's just really quick clap count from the beginning so that we can make sure we've all got it. Everybody has the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Measure 5, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dotted half note. And that gets us to A. At A, we sort of break up into different things here. Basses, you have your pretty typical downbeats going on, and then you have kind of similar to what we had at the beginning. Cello's basses, look right here before B. At this point, you have down, up, down, up, down, and they're having you end on a down bow so that you match the violins and violas. Violins, you have the same part here. It's down, up, down, up. Okay, so just be careful of this slur that they added in. And then violas, you're going to do a staccato tied note here. So it'll be rest, down, down, rest, up, up. And then since it says simile, we're going to do the same thing here. Rest, down, down, rest, up, up. And that's violas and cellos. Sorry about that. Cellos, you guys also have that right there. So those should be down, down, up, up when we get down to this part here. All right, so moving on, let's take a look at allegro. When we get to allegro, it's going to be just straight quarter notes. So you guys will be in half notes, and you guys will be fine with the bowings there. Take a look right here. We will be up, down, up, down, up, down with a retake. So everybody does have a full retake here, and that's 5 from the end. Okay? let's go back now and do the last thing is to look at, out of stars, is to look at our cymbals. And I'd like to just take a look at a dynamics in this one. We start out forte at the beginning. At letter A, we're going to drop down to a mezzo forte. At B, we're going to drop all the way down to a piano. And remember, it's faster here. And then when we get to the end, just in those last 2 bars, we're going to crescendo all the way up to a forte in 1 bar. So that's going to be a big crescendo. So make sure you're really leaning in to the bow there to get enough volume. And other than that, there's not too much written in here, so this should be pretty straightforward. Try to get this tempo change and maybe do it a couple times just to make sure you feel really comfortable. And I will see you guys next week.